Hello everyone, welcome to Aanvii Hearing. Today I'm going to tell you the vital importance of a proper hearing test. Hearing is a vital sense that enriches our lives, enabling us to connect, communicate, and navigate the world around us. Yet, often overlooked, hearing health deserves our attention and care. A proper hearing test stands as a crucial cornerstone in preserving this valuable sense, ensuring its optimal functionality and addressing any underlying issues that might impact our auditory experience. The need for early detection. Undiagnosed hearing loss can significantly affect various aspects of our lives, from personal relationships to professional engagements. The key lies in early detection. Regular hearing tests serve as preventive measures, allowing professionals to identify potential issues before they escalate. Even minor changes in hearing can impact daily interactions, affecting communication and leading to social withdrawal or misunderstandings. Comprehensive assessment. A proper hearing test involves a comprehensive evaluation of one's hearing ability. It's not just about detecting the ability to hear sounds, but understanding the nuances of one's auditory capabilities. A skilled audiologist conducts a range of tests assessing various frequencies and intensities to paint a complete picture of one's hearing health. This assessment aids in identifying specific types and degrees of hearing loss, allowing for tailored treatment plans. Quality of life improvement. Hearing loss, if left unaddressed, can adversely impact an individual's quality of life. From missing out on conversations to experiencing difficulty in understanding speech, these challenges can lead to feelings of isolation, frustration, and even mental health concerns like depression. However, a proper hearing test serves as the gateway to improving these issues. Through accurate diagnosis, individuals can explore suitable solutions like hearing aids or assistive devices, significantly enhancing their overall well being. Prevention and protection. Beyond diagnosing existing hearing issues, regular hearing tests also facilitate preventive care. Exposure to loud noises, whether in the workplace, during recreational activities, or even through personal devices, poses a significant risk to our hearing health. Periodic hearing tests enable professionals to monitor any potential damage caused by noise exposure and advise on protective measures to prevent further harm. Personalized care and support. Each person's hearing health is unique. A proper hearing test doesn't just offer a diagnosis, it provides a personalized understanding of one's hearing needs. This allows for tailored care, ensuring that solutions, whether they be hearing aids, cochlear implants, or other interventions, are precisely matched to an individual's requirements and lifestyle. Promoting overall health. Our hearing health is intricately linked to our overall well being. Research has established connections between untreated hearing loss and other health issues like cognitive decline, cardiovascular problems, and an increased risk of accidents due to impaired spatial awareness. Addressing hearing issues through proper test and subsequent interventions can contribute to better overall health outcomes. Empowerment through awareness. By prioritizing regular hearing tests, individuals become more aware and empowered regarding their hearing health. It encourages proactive steps toward maintaining and safeguarding this vital sense. Moreover, Fostering awareness about the significance of hearing tests within communities can reduce stigma and encourage others to prioritize their auditory well being. In conclusion, a proper hearing test is not just a routine checkup, it's a gateway to a life enriched by the sounds of the world around us. Early detection, comprehensive assessment, and tailored care are pillars in preserving and enhancing our hearing health. By advocating for regular hearing tests and embracing the interventions they offer, individuals can actively participate in their auditory well being, enjoying a life filled with the richness of sound and connection. For more information, visit our website, which is www.aanvihearing.com, or call us at 9658395839.